Most people don't know how many mistakes were made in the Titanic. It was considered practically unsinkable. Though we all know how the story unfolds, the important question is, could it really have been saved? It all began with the first fatal mistakes. The Titanic was meant to be the icon of the modern world at sea. Some suggested a safer but longer route farther south. And during the day, others issued several warnings about the ice fields ahead. However, the captain decided to ignore. A direct course at high speed was taken. He had no idea what this was gonna mean in the next few hours. Ironically, experts now see it differently. The disaster was not caused by the iceberg alone. The ship was designed with heavy-duty collision bulkheads in the bow. A head-on crash would have destroyed the front, but the ship would have remained afloat. By trying to turn, the iceberg scraped along the side, unzipping the hull across 5 watertight compartments. And it was built to survive only 4. Nevertheless, salvation was still on the horizon. The SS Californian was nearby that night. Its crew actually saw the Titanic in the distance, probably fireworks from a party, or just company signals as usual, they must have thought. But they never actually got the chance to find out. Their radio operator had gone to bed just 5 minutes before the crash in a tragic coincidence. Shortly after midnight, when it seemed almost certain that everyone was doomed, the Carpathia's operator caught the SOS by pure luck. Its captain acted instantly and pushed his engines to a suicidal 17 knots through the very same ice field. Risking his own ship to a similar fate, he reached the Titanic hours later. Earlier that night, the Titanic could still avoid the disaster. Once the iceberg appeared, the ship had almost no room left to save itself. After the collision, only the death toll could still be changed. Of more than 2,000 passengers, only 700 made it out alive.